Hello friends, I am Suman. Today I come with the next topic of relationship series, that is what is reparenting. So what is reparenting? In this concept we can change the parent of the child record, right? When the parent is changed for the child record access will move to the new parent, right? Why we need the reparenting? Just check it. So this is my application and I have two objects here. This between these two objects I have my master detail relationship, right? So in master detail relationship we cannot edit the parent record, right? This is my child one. If I will open a record of this object, so here you can see this is my parent record, so I cannot edit this parent record from the child record, from the child object, right? But if I will allow the reparenting, then I can make a change here in this existing record, right? So in any case, if I want to make any change this category, so I need to edit this. And how I can edit? I can edit when I will allow the reparenting option, right? So how we can do this? Let's see. Come to our home page, go to your object manager, open your object, child object, where we have created master detail relationship. So that object we have our writer, right? This is our object. Now click on fields and relationship. So in this object just click here the relationship on which field we have created master detail, right? Just click on this drop down arrow, click on edit button. So if I will scroll down, so here you can see there is a option allow reparenting, right? So I need to check this checkbox to allow the reparenting, right? I can select this checkbox when on the time when we are creating or we create a master detail relationship, right? If not there, then you can edit this also. So this is the reparenting. Just check this box and click on save button, right? So come to our application and just give a refresh to our application. We have allowed the reparenting concept. You can see here. Now this edit option is available here. So previous it was not here. As I have allowed the reparenting, it is here. So I can change the category as per my requirement. It is Salesforce programming book, so I can choose another category also. Suppose I want to choose this in ASP.NET or the Visual Basic, right? So I can do this with the concept of reparenting. So this is the reparenting, right? In this way we can make a change in our parent record from the child record or child object, right? So that is about the reparenting concept. Thank you for watching. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Thank you.